OnePlus just dropped a bomb on the performance market. This isn't a flagship in the traditional sense, it's a performance specialist. We're talking about the new OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra. It has a battery larger than some tablets, a display faster than most gaming monitors, and a chip that's rewriting the rules for MediaTek. The device is a performance-focused phone built around MediaTek's latest flagship silicon and a set of gaming-oriented features, including support for a dedicated external controller. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip, manufactured on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process. OnePlus says the chip uses an all-big-core CPU architecture, with a claimed 32% performance improvement and a 55% reduction in power consumption compared to the previous generation. Is this the ultimate power user phone for 2026? Let's find out. First, let's talk about this build. OnePlus is calling this the Metal Cube design. It's got a solid aluminum frame and a very distinct flat camera module. It feels dense, and for good reason. It weighs 217 grams, which is understandable once we get to the battery section. The screen is a 6.78-inch BOE OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution, but the headliner is the 165 Hz refresh rate. While most flagships are stuck at 120 Hz, the Ace 6 Ultra pushes it further for supported titles like Valorant Mobile and Delta Force. Under the hood, OnePlus skipped the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 found in the 6T and went with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500. This is a 3nm monster. In our testing, it stays cooler and more stable than the Snapdragon equivalent thanks to the 6000mm Glacier Cooling Vapor Chamber. And if you're a pro gamer, you have to check out the Strix gaming controller. It's a joystick-free mechanical trigger setup with a 1.8 milliseconds response time. It literally turns this phone into a handheld console. This is the Ultra part of the name. The hardware is backed by an 8600 mAh dual-cell battery with support for 120-watt wired charging and multiple fast charging standards. For context, that's nearly double what we were seeing just 2 years ago. OnePlus claims 7.4 hours of continuous high frame rate gaming. In my real-world use, this is a 3-day phone for normal users. If there's a compromise, it's here. You don't get a periscope zoom. Around the back, the camera system is relatively simple. It has a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, paired with a 16-megapixel front camera. The main sensor takes great daylight shots. Clean, sharp, and very OnePlus in its color science. But without a dedicated zoom lens, you're relying on 20x digital zoom. If you are a mobile photographer, look at the OnePlus 15 Pro. But if you are a gamer, a power user, or someone who just hates carrying a charger, the Ace 6 Ultra is in a league of its own. It's a power bank with a 165 Hz screen attached. What do you think? Is 600 mAh overkill or the new standard? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.